Hey everybody, Lou Santiago for Garage Insider TV. Now, I want to give you an update. Our Kenworth project, I've made a change. I know you might find that hard to believe, but it's going to get stretched out to 300-inch wheelbase. So I did some research. I found PG Adams. They make rails. So I'm going to start tearing that thing apart, get it to the point where I can send them a rail and get everything set up so we can do it. That's why I haven't done anything on it. So it's just been a change. It's no fault of anybody's. I just got to go for cool. It's been bugging me so long, and I just decided, you know what, it's just time to do it. So I'm getting everything together to do that. One of the other things that I want to tell you about is I got these Roadmaster lights for it. They're cool. They're torpedo lights, and they call them, the lenses are called watermelons. I just think that's the neatest name for a lens. But what it is, they have 19 LEDs in them, and they are replacements for the cab lights. So what I'm going to do when it's getting stretched, I got a friend of mine who does paint and bodywork and all that. He's going to come in and strip the lights off the top of the sleeper and the cab and put all these on there. So we're going to have to fill holes, then mark everything out. It was my goal, road 22 lights. I would really like to do 11 across the cab and 11 across the sleeper, just because it would be, so, in my opinion, it's just awesome. Now, I'm going clear lenses on it instead of amber, because what I would like to do eventually is get all the bulbs, all the lenses, I should say, to clear, and in this way there'll be the respective colors, whatever they need to be, whether they're amber or red, whatever. That's my goal. So stay tuned. I'm doing a little more research on this. I got to get a couple of big tools for the truck, because it's just I wasn't planning on going that crazy with it. So I got to get my 3/4 drive stuff up here, my 1-inch drive stuff up here to do the job. And stay tuned, because in the next couple of weeks we're going to be at it hot and heavy.